because there's one final point I want to raise. In the Police Protections Bill, there is going to be a measure to protect and give support to police drivers who are involved in chasing criminals. This has been an issue. There have been challenges when accidents have happened or people have been hurt. That is absolutely right. That was always intended to be part of a wider bill which would introduce reforms to sentencing for dangerous driving. This is an issue which the Honourable Member for Hayward and Middleton has taken up, and other members across this House. I'm disappointed that those reforms are not in the Queen's speech, and I'm particularly concerned because of the case of my constituent Bryony Holland, who was 19 and was struck by a car in Nottingham in August 2015 and died. And the individual responsible, Thomas Burney, was thought to have taken cocaine, was 3 times over the drunk driving limit. He pleaded guilty to causing death by dangerous driving and causing injuries by dangerous driving. He was sentenced to 8 years' imprisonment. He was released in August, halfway through his sentence. His parents, among other parents who found themselves in such tragic circumstances, have long campaigned for those reforms to sentencing. In October 17, we published the outcome of the dangerous driving consultation, and it was always the intention that a bill be introduced that included this and the protections for police drivers and some other measures in relation to cycling. So I'm sorry, while it's right to have the protection for police drivers, I'm sorry that these other elements have not been included. And I would urge, I think it's probably the Ministry of Justice that is the prime department here, to look at ensuring that these reforms can be introduced and give some comfort to those parents and others who have sadly seen young lives taken away too early by the result of dangerous driving and feel that justice has not properly been served.